Friends, every one of us have gone through the state of fear, pressure, confusion just before appearing to stage, or in interview, or before appearing to public, or in case of students who are in this state just before appearing to their exams or vivas. Now friends, you will say, what is new in this? Everyone suffers from this and everyone goes through this state. It is quite normal to all of us. Friends, my answer to you will be yes. It is quite normal. But friends, if this state of fear, pressure, confusion of mind before accomplishing any task or competition or facing public produces any symptoms in the body again and again, whenever a person is in this particular state, then this is not normal. And now this symptom is to be corrected by homeopathic medicine. Friends, in our homeopathy, this symptom is taken as a mind rubric. That is, mind rubric anticipation complaints from. And friends, let's study today mind rubric anticipation complaints from. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power, and today we are going to study how to identify practically mind rubric anticipation in our patients with homeopathic medicines which covers this mind rubric. So friends, let's start the video, but before that you have to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all so that you will be get notified whenever a video is uploaded from Homeopathy the Healing Power. Like, share this video. Let's get started. Anticipation complaints from. Friends, let's see the Hindi meaning of this mind rubric. In Hindi, anticipation means पूर्वानुमान से उत्पन्न शिकायतें. फ्रेंड्स, इसका एक उदाहरण हम लेते हैं. जैसे कोई इवेंट होने वाला है और किसी व्यक्ति को वो इवेंट फेस करना है, तो उस इवेंट को फेस करने से पहले ही यह व्यक्ति को कुछ शिकायतें महसूस होती है और यह शिकायतें मानसिक या शारीरिक रूप में दिखाई देती है. फ्रेंड्स, इसे ही पूर्वानुमान से उत्पन्न शिकायतें कहते हैं. एंड इन इंग्लिश, एंटिसिपेशन मीन्स to expect or predict. For example, a person is given a task to be completed, or a person is going to face any event, or for example, a person is going to face any interview. So just before these events, this person goes in the state of anxiety and excitement. This anxiety and excitement brings advanced thought and symptoms in a patient. And this state is nothing but anticipation complaints from. Friends, this is the meaning of anticipation. Friends, in our repertory, there are some other mind rubrics also, which are in related to this rubric anticipation. For our better understanding, friends, let's have a look on these rubrics. And they are anxiety anticipation, anxiety future about, fear danger impending of, fear church, big hall or public show when ready to go, fear of misfortune, fear public appearing in, timidity appearing public in. Friends, these rubrics are also in related with our mind rubric anticipation. Friends, let's see how practically we can identify this mind rubric in our patients. In our homeopathic Metra Medica, the medicines covers this mind rubric. And here for our better understanding, I am taking two medicines in which we can see anticipatory fear. And these are Argentum nitricum and Lycopodium. Now let's see how Argentum nitricum shows anticipation. Friends, in Argentum nitricum, whenever the patient gets ready to go outside or for examination or for any public meeting or for any engagement, the diarrhea sets in. This is the keynote of this medicine.
Hello. Oh, yes, I'm speaking. Okay, sir. Tomorrow I have to be there for meeting by 10 a.m. Okay, yes. This is sure I will be there. Yes. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow is my meeting. I have to be there in office by 10 a.m. How will I face the people? How will I face my seniors? I have prepared for my meeting. How will I answer them? If I fail to answer their questions, then what will happen? If I will miss the bus, then how can I reach the office? There are many people in meeting. How will I face them? What they will ask me? Today is my meeting. Everything is ready now. Let me check my files. Though I have checked them earlier. Oh, everything is ready. Today is my meeting. What they will ask me? Will I be able to face them? Oh, it's 9 a.m. I may miss my bus. I should go fast. Oh my god. There is a crampy pain in my abdomen. Oh, I think I should go to washroom now.
That means whenever patient is getting ready for facing any event, competition or interview or to face any public, patient suddenly suffers from diarrhea. Friends, this is nothing but nervous diarrhea. This is not the diarrhea due to gastrointestinal disorder. This is the diarrhea produced due to mental emotions, due to nervousness, due to excitement and anxiety. Immediately, as patients start performing the task for which the patient was going, immediately patient performs the task, the diarrhea disappears and patient is now perfectly well. Patient performs his work satisfactorily. All the symptoms which were related with anticipation like diarrhea, nervousness, they all now goes off and now patient is completely at healthy state. Now our next medicine is Lycopodium. Friends, in Lycopodium, anticipation is seen in form of dread of appearing in public. That means there is a great fear of appearing in public. Generally, this type of fear is seen in professional man, like in lawyers and in ministers, who has to face public recurrently. This is nothing but the anticipatory fear of facing public. And in Lycopodium, patient shows symptoms like lack of confidence, weakness of memory, confusion of thoughts, loss of confidence in himself. Patient feels that he will not be able to complete his work or he will not be able to do anything. Patient feels that he will forget anything or he will make mistakes in front of public, and so patient thinks that he cannot appear in front of public, so he delays his work. Although patient is carrying this work for years and years, but still whenever he has to face public, all these symptoms comes, and this is nothing but anticipation, anticipatory fear. And when patient takes his work, he accomplishes his work with ease and comfort. Friends, let's see how patient will express these symptoms. First of all, friends, patient by himself will narrate all these symptoms during case taking. Patient by himself will tell that how he feels before appearing to public, what type of symptoms or what type of thoughts comes in his mind before appearing to public or before any interview. Friends, we can take a note of all these symptoms, and at this point we can take their mind rubric as anticipation complaints from. Now friends, let's see which homeopathic medicines covers this mind rubric, and they are aconite, argentum nitricum, arsenic album, calcarea carp, carcinosin, gelsemium, Graphatis, Caliphos, Lycopodium, Lysine, Mesarinum, Phosphorus, Plumbum mate, Sornium, Pulsatilla, Cilicia, Thuja and Veratrum album. So friends, this is the video on mind rubric anticipation. We have made it very easy and simple to understand. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments section given below. Like and share this video. Subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.